Max? Are you comfy? You're comfy in the morning sun there. Sorry that you can't see him so well, but this is Max's favourite spot every morning. It's where he jumps up and just lays in the morning sun, because he can't be over this side because it's no sun's there. This is the boy that sleeps with me all night, and he's heavy, aren't you? I go to roll over and you're on the blanket and I can't even get me blanket. I see ya. Great life. Well, just catching the last of the afternoon sun with Tessa. She wanted out, which kind of indicates to me that the toilet might be on her mind at the moment. So I thought, okay, it's a little bit windy out here, but it's not cold, so it should be okay to be out here just for a little while. And yeah, maybe get to go to the bathroom. You know, I can't complain. The winter has not been too bad at all this year. Of course, early mornings I've got the heater going. Of course, that is generally because I know that Lily may be wanting to come out fairly early in the morning. And, you know, once the sun goes down in the afternoon, I'm putting the heater back on as well. There has been a few nights where I've left it going all night because I know it's going to get down really quite chilly, and I do know that, you know, my snakes will be perfectly fine if any globes blow at all, or well, through the night, that is. But, you know, I'm also up a couple of times during the night just to have a good check and make sure everybody's comfortable. But, you know, I've had situations where, you know, I've got up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I've gone back to bed and got up at 7 and a globe's blown and I don't know when. So I just like to keep my eyes on those sorts of things over the winter. Of course, summer, we don't really have to worry about that too much. If anything, we have to worry about the fact we don't want them getting too hot, more so than cold, because we do know heat is more likely to kill them a lot faster than what the cold is going to do for them. So, little minor bird, and like, he has no idea. You don't mess with Tessa. Maybe my other snakes you can tease and carry on, but Tessa is certainly not the girl that you would do it with. I would see her taking a strike and, yeah, not necessarily eating it, but certainly taking it down. So, to the ground, that is, not into her belly. So, she's just having a little bit of a look around more than anything at the moment. Just give her a little bit of time to chill, get her bearings, because we're not actually in our normal place either. We're in a different spot. We're normally close to the trampoline, and Tessa will generally make her way under the trampoline just for a little bit of cover. But she's just gorgeous, and I'm certainly glad that, I'll take her. She's got her little quirks and things about her that she does and she doesn't like, and certainly one you don't surprise. You let her know that it's you, and when you open up that door, you do it slow and easy for her. You just give her time to recognize that it's actually you, and then she's generally, she's pretty good from there. Occasionally she gives me a little bit of a hard time, but she also very quickly, she settles down as well, so she's great. She's getting a big girl. As you can see, she's getting a big girl. I would say she's pretty much close to, maybe not as long as Lily, but she's a few years younger than Lily as well. So she's got a few years to grow, and probably also go past Lily, I would think. I'm going to go and get my exercise mat here, which that's how long it's been since I've exercised. I forgot that I actually had that, and I've had a massive clean up here, and I have to do a trip to the dump as well now. That's the worst part about doing a clean up, is you find all the rubbish, and then it's loading trailers and travelling to the dump and then unloading, and there's a few loads. Cleaned out all the garden, all of that. So, and I started and I thought to myself, what am I doing to myself here? Like, I know it needed it desperately, but now more work, and I'll get it done. I will get it done, and the back is looking really good. I've also got a great big pen out there that I hope to set up and roof the top and make it totally snake proof, and make an outdoor enclosure for them, especially for those nice warm winter days. And they will of course have shade to utilise on the nice hot summer days. So that's my next task, is to get this going. And it's big, it's really huge, so I've got to find some great big logs and all sorts to rig up in there and set up for them. And I really do think they're going to absolutely love it. And I'm looking forward to them actually loving it. That's all right, darling. I'm just going to bring you back over this way. All right? I was kind of just hoping that you might go to the toilet for Mum, but maybe I know you are at that point where you actually may need to, sweetie. So I don't want to keep you out too long, because it isn't exactly a nice warm summer's day. It's a little bit cooler but warmer of our winter days. I'm really hoping the weather will stay reasonably nice too, for a friend that is travelling from the States, coming out the 10th of August, so that's not too far away at all. So I'm really looking forward to Carolyn arriving and meeting me for the first time, and you know, her meeting my snakes, even though it's actually Joe that has the snakes. He has a ball python and he also has a jungle python, or jungle carpet python. So, you know, I've got to know Joe and Carolyn quite well through my videos, my channel, and of course chatting to them. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and yeah, I will get some video of Carolyn here, which may make Joe a little bit jealous, seeing Carolyn handle some of the snakes that Joe would absolutely love to meet himself, but maybe one day he will. So I think she's just going to make her way home, well, back towards the door. Maybe she'll go to the toilet in the interim, maybe she won't, but it doesn't matter. At least we got outside and she got the opportunity to go should she have needed to. So I'm just going to get up and follow her, and I must keep this mat outside or under the veranda so I grab it for when I need it. So guys, there she is, getting big. So you take care of yourself and your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.